Hello everyone. I'm trying out a new way of making videos this week. So that looks like a lot of information, doesn't it? Well, we're going to talk today about eighth notes. Remember that notes signify sound. Is this note like a quarter note or not like a quarter note? Let's take a look at a quarter note right there. That's a quarter note. Now let's take a look at this note again. What's the difference between this one, and this one? What's the difference? Well, yeah, one is black and one is blue, but other than the color. Eighth notes have a flag. So let's take a look at this eighth note over here. Alright, so you see that there's a circle. The circle is colored in. There's a stem just like a quarter note, but to make it an eighth note, you put that flag on there. What does 8th mean? Well, that's just another way to write eighth. So you can either spell it E-I-G-H-T-H, like this, or you can spell it 8th, like that. Cool! So let's draw an eighth note. First, make a circle. Second, color the circle. Third, add the stem. Fourth, add the flag. Draw an eighth note. So far so good, right? Well, now let's talk about how many beats of sound the eighth note gets. And here's where it gets tricky because you haven't had fractions yet. But the eighth note gets half a beat. So 1/8 note equals 1/2 of a beat. Now 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1. So eighth note plus eighth note equals 1 beat. And it just so happens if they're side by side, you can put a bar across the top like that. So that is the same as that, but this makes it easier to see where the beat is. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Are you completely confused now? Don't worry. I got another way to show you how to do this, and you're going to love it, and you're going to see how easy it is. So, do you like cake? Yes. Do you like ice cream? You do? Okay. Let's pretend that the word cake is our quarter note, and that the two words ice cream are our 2 eighth notes, and let's see if you can say this in rhythm. We're using a 2 count. 1, 2. Cake, cake, ice cream, cake, cake, ice cream, ice cream. Was that hard? No, it wasn't hard, it was easy. Eighth notes are great. Eighth notes make music more fun, and it's kind of tricky, but we can play much more fun music if we know about eighth notes, and you're never too young to start learning about cake and ice cream, right? So let's try this one more time. I'm going to say ready, go, and we're going to do it together. This is the word cake. That's your quarter note. And the 2/8 notes side by side with the bar, those are the words ice cream. And so you'll know when to say cake and when to say ice cream, right? All right. I'm going to say ready, go, and we'll start. Ready, go. Cake, cake, ice cream, cake, cake, ice cream, ice cream. So now that you know about eighth notes, we can add that to our collection, and you will probably see some music that has not only quarter notes and quarter rests, but now you might see some music that has eighth notes. Yay!